Hi everyone, and welcome back to today's episode of the Daily Grind. Today I want to talk to you about two more fabrics that I think are really great to use if you're sewing swimsuits. Now in the previous video I talked about power mesh and power net and the differences and the applications in some of the swimsuits I have made. I'm going to add two more. And this first one would be swim lining. And I love swim lining. This should be used to line your swimsuits. Some people say line the front. That's really all you have to line, and that's fine. But I like lining the front and the back. You do what you want to do. I just prefer doing both. But swim lining is extremely stretchy, but it just gives a nice layer of smooth coverage under your swimsuits. So the next item is going to be cradle lining. Cradle lining is kind of like a mesh as well, but cradle lining differs from power net. Remember, power net is the beefier of power net versus power mesh, but power net still has a little bit of stretch. Cradle lining looks like power net, but it does not have any stretch horizontally nor vertically. So where would you use cradle lining in a swimsuit? I am going to show you. This is one of the bikini tops I made from the Pinup Girls Three Sisters bikini. And if you look between the cups, there is a bridge. So that bridge right here, and if you have any bras like this, try to stretch the bridge. You can't stretch it. So the connector between the two cups is going to be lined with non-stretch cradle lining, which is a mesh-like fabric. So these are just two fabrics that can really help you with your sewing of your swimsuits. I always recommend swim lining for every swimsuit. Cradle lining is only going to need to be used if you're making a bikini top that has bra-like cups and you're going to have that connector in between. There are 4 extra fabrics to consider when making your swimsuit: power net, power mesh, cradle lining, and swim lining. I hope this helps you, and I hope it gives you an idea as far as how to choose fabrics to make a great swimsuit.